Welcome to our video today, and I will tell you how to turn crossplay on or off in Battlefield 6 on PS5. Once you're on the main menu, look for the small cog icon in the top right corner and open up the settings menu. From there, scroll over to the system tab, and right at the very top, you'll find the crossplay option. By default, it's turned on, which means you can get matched with players across different platforms, including Xbox and PC. This helps fill lobbies faster, but sometimes it can create a mix of skill levels that not every player enjoys. If you'd rather keep things limited to only PS5 players, simply toggle the setting off. Keep in mind though, turning off crossplay may slightly increase your matchmaking time since you're limiting the pool of available players. But many people say the gameplay feels more balanced. That's all there is to it. A quick setting that lets you choose how you want to play. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful guides like this.